Okay, guess. Well, don't open it yet. Guess. What do you think it is? Oh, make a guess.
Barbie.
Yeah, because you saw it.
Yeah.
See if it's the one you wanted. I think it's the Barbie you wanted, but I'm not sure.
Oh yeah.
Is that the one you wanted? The one with the red? Does she have red hair? I think she does.
She has red and brown hair.
Red and brown hair.
Bulldozer.
That's one of the dancing princesses.
Oh yeah, we
From the
watched it in
movie.
the movie.
Yes.
It was a bad movie.
Yep.
Grandpa.
Oh, a doll? Oh, man.
I always wanted a dog.
Look on the back,
I
honey.
thought it was a car. Okay.
Let
well,
me
then-
see. Oh, isn't she pretty?
Oh, I always wanted a little baby, but I only have this one and this one. I only have these two at home.